Welcome to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your door jambs, your sills, and under your door. Now the door jamb is probably part of the body that gets neglected the most, and it's really common to clean, of course, the inside of your vehicle and then wash the outside. But that whole transition area of coming inside the vehicle usually gets forgotten about, and that's why it's so easy to get the caked on grease and dirt and debris. And a clean sill, door jamb, and of course doors will just give you that nice experience when you're actually entering your vehicle. Now these door jambs, sill, and of course the inside of the door really aren't that dirty, but I just finished cleaning the inside of the vehicle, and I always work from the inside out. So before I conduct my maintenance wash, let's go ahead and clean the entranceway. So just a couple of simple tools. One, a dedicated brush. I just use an old painter's brush, and this one here is dedicated for my door jamb, so I'm always using it. A microfiber cloth, and I'm always using a safe shampoo, and the one I like using on the door jambs is something that's citrus based because it has that extra cutting power to it, and it's just inside of a spray bottle. Now I know on some videos you may see some individuals using super clean with a combination of Palmolive and diluted with whatever ratio they recommend. When you actually go on the super clean website, and now I'm a big fan of super clean and I use it on various components of the car like the wheels itself, which they do recommend, but nowhere on their dilution chart do they recommend using this on the actual paint of the vehicle. And when you use things like Palmolive, they're degreasers, so they can actually harm the finish of your vehicle. That's why I recommend going with something that's more citrus based and is a car shampoo specifically made for your vehicle. So now let's go ahead and show you how to effectively clean your door jambs, sills, and doors. So the first thing you're going to want to start off with is just a light spray of water to loosen all the big debris. Now let's just take our shampoo and just spread that on. And then you're just going to put it on and let it dwell. Now with your brush, you're just going to get into all the areas and just agitate as much of that dirt as possible. And because this isn't a degreaser, it's not going to harm the paint on your vehicle, so it doesn't matter if you get it on the outside. And now this might take a little bit of elbow grease, and you might need to do it just a few times, but as I said, quicker doesn't necessarily mean better, especially if you're using a degreaser. Now I do mine on a regular basis, so you can see that these door jambs aren't in bad shape whatsoever. Sure you get into the seal. And now you're just going to want to go back and rinse everything off. Then the last touch. Now let's dry everything off. And then of course wipe down any sort of overspray that went into the vehicle. And that's how you can effectively and safely clean the door sills, clean your door jambs, and under your doors without ruining your paint. So now with my door jambs clean, I'm going to go ahead and give this vehicle a maintenance wash. Hopefully you found this video beneficial. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Of course, share it with a friend and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.